Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Cindy Saresta Meliani. I'm Business Education Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University, and today I want to present my thesis, and the title is the influence of social media, e-worm, and tourist attraction on the decision to visit Penglipuran Tourist Village. Okay, the first is a background of research. In March 2020, Indonesia became one of the countries exposed to the COVID-19 virus, and people were encouraged to carry out activity from home only. And this situation resulted in a decrease in the state's income in the tourist sector, uh, 27 billions. In addition, the pandemic has encouraged the acceleration of digitalization. Digital technology is a catalyst and bridge that helps people stay active amid social restoration. During the pandemic, Penglipuran Tourism Village was also affected. This village was closed to prevent the COVID-19 virus outbreak and results in decrease in the number of visitors. And this is the table of visitors. And Penglipuran Tourism Village Manager Inengamone said that the target of visitors to Penglipuran Village are 750 people per day. These statements can be concluded that the target number of visitors 2021 is 237,750. While from the data obtained, the number of visitors Penglipuran Village in 2021 is only 131,911 people. And this is the next slide is a problem preparation. Whether social media will affect this decision to visit Penglipuran Village, and the two is whether e-worm will affect the decision to visit Penglipuran Village, and the three is whether the tourist attraction will affect the decision to visit Penglipuran Village. And the next slide is benefits of research. The first, two researchers provide new knowledge in the field of marketing management, especially matters related to social media, e-worm, tourist attraction, and decision to visit tourist destination. And to Penglipuran Tourist Village become information about the influence of social media, e-worm, and tourist attraction in providing tourists decisions to visit Penglipuran Tourist Village. And to science become a new science regarding social media, e-worm, tourist attraction, and visiting decision as teaching materials for marketing or tourism management. And Jakarta State University become a learning reference for the Faculty of Economics, especially business education related marketing management topics. And then this is a theoretical background. The first visiting decision, Hidayat and Dewi 2019 said that the decision to visit is part of consumers' behavior, which contains a series of important steps until finally making a decision to visit tourist attraction. And social media, according to M. Sumanjuntak et al., 2021, social media is an online media wall where users can participate and create content, text, image, video, and online streaming. Now, social media can become a digital media in the business world, promotional medium. And this is e-worm Kumalasari 2018, 2020, 2018 define IWOM as a medium for disseminating information due to the phenomenon of the development of digitalization, technology, social media, and the development of rural tourism, which is a trend of shifting tourist behavior. And the last is tourist attraction. Tourist attraction is everything in a place that has unique beauty, convenience, and value in the form of a diversity of natural and man-made. Well, that is interesting and has value to be visited by tourists from Utama 2006-17. And this is a preview research to the influence of social media on visiting decision have a 4 preview research. The same, this is a preview research to the influence of IWOM and visiting decision. And this is the preview research to the influence of tourist attraction on visiting decision. The next slide is a theoretical framework and hypothesis. The hypothesis 1 is allegedly the influence of social media on the decision to visit Malipuran Tourist Village, and hypothesis 2 allegedly the influence of IWOM on the decision to visit Malipuran Tourist Village, and the hypothesis 3 allegedly the influence of tourist attraction on the decision to visit Malipuran Tourist Village. And the next slide is research methods. Research place and time is Malipuran Tourist Village and April to July 2022. Research methods is quantitative. Data collection methods are primary dairy data. This is a survey in the form of questionnaires. And then secondary data is books, articles, journals, and other reference sources. Population and sampling techniques in visitors Malipuran Tourist Village and non-probability sampling with purposive sampling techniques. And measurement scale is 6-point Likert scale tape, and data analysis technique is same with Amos software. And this is the research for data description. Frequency for men is 61 and the woman is 141. And then this is the frequency for X. Frequency for 17 to 24 is 122, and frequency for 25 to 32 is 64, and frequency for 33 to 35 is 16. And then this is the frequency for diploma is 17, doctor is 3, bachelor is 88, senior high school is 89, and junior high school is 5 people. And the frequency for not married yet is 164, divorce is 2 people, and marriage is 36. Next, this is a validity and reliability test research for visiting decision. The result of validity and reliability test visiting decision has 7 indicators, and factor loadings is valid. And this variable can to be believed because this variable has a constant reliability and average variance as such good reliability. And this is the result validity and reliability test for social media, and the same this is have this variable valid and have a good reliability. And this is the result of validity and reliability test for IWOM, and same this is variable have this variable valid and have a contestability and average variance assess a good. And this is a result for tourist attraction. This the 7 indicators is valid and have a good reliability because consultability and average variance estimates is good. And this is a fit model SEM for for resort T squares. This is a effect similar, and then the result for RMSEA, GFI, AGFI, RMSRR, TLI, CFI, CMIN per dev is a fit. And this is the same model hypothesis test. Social media, you can look at the result from hypothesis test is social media have influenced to visiting decision is accept, but for EWOM and tourist attraction, uh, to influence to visiting decision is the reject. And this is a thesis closing conclusion. Social media positive affects the decision to visit. Prospective visitors who decide to visit Malipuram Tourist Village get information about Malipuram Village through social media. And then EWOM has no effect on visiting decisions. Visitors decide to visit Malipuram Village not only because of other people's reviews. EWOM only affects interest in visiting Malipuram Village. And the last conclusion is tourist attraction has no effect on visiting decision. Visitors decide to visit Malipuram Village not only when there is an event. Without an event, many regular visitors visit Malipuram Village. Okay, thank you for watching my presentation for my thesis. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.